How do you open this master lock package that you bought on Amazon? That's what this video is about. So I bought these on Amazon. I got two for, let's get back, two for $16.69 on sale. And these are weather resistant locks. And they're pretty cool looking. But the package was, there was a pin here with a little metal disc, okay, put down over the pin. And the metal disc is really thin and it's sharp. And so you can't just pull it off. I mean, I guess you could, but you risk cutting yourself. So this is the reason I made the video. Take a pair of scissors and you cut this plastic notch right here. Now I did that and it went flying and I can't find it. Of course, I will find it with my bare feet at some point in the future. So that's how you get this off. And it actually does have instructions on how to do that on the back here. It says coupe, cut, court. But, you know, I thought that someone out there might need to like know how to do this. And I know this may seem obvious to those who understand, but those who don't, fine. So I'll continue. So you got two keys. Either key works on both locks. Okay. So that's nice. So if you got two different things that you're locking up, like if you're locking up your boat, you're locking up your bike, you're locking up your locker at work, you're locking up something else. And the other thing is these have like weather resistant covers for the brass locks here. And then how do you get them out of this package? Well, take the key, turn, kind of like maneuver it out like this, and then flip it around and go like that. And then this little plastic piece will come out. Okay, so same key, different lock, same key, right? Pop out, that little plastic piece pops out, and then get it out like that. So, yeah, so this key works here. This key works here. And then if you ever lose the key, well, the key code's on the back of the key, right? But if you ever lose the key, how are you going to know? There's the key code back here too, okay? And then there's a lifetime guarantee on the locks because it's master lock. And it tells you what security level they rated at, which this one's pretty good because apparently, you know, these are harder to cut with bolt cutters. I like the fact that these have a nice long hasp on them so that if I have them like on a locker or something like that or a chain, I've got some room to maneuver here so that I can like, you know, flip them up. What else do you need to know? If you have any questions, put them in the comments below and I'll try to answer them. But yeah, here's a good look at them. And yeah, I can't really think of anything else that you would need to know. But if you do, let me know and I'll do another video. Hope you guys have a great day out there. I'll see you on the next one. Take care.